Welcome to Tenafly. People come here because of the top-rated school system, the very easy access to New York City, the sense of community. Ultimately, people stay here because this just feels like home. When I moved here, it was 2006, and I was very pregnant with my second kid. I also felt like there was so much sense of community, philanthropy, and even though I was still commuting back and forth to the city, people were welcoming, and I found my friends, and everything turned out great.